Honey, listen to me, listen. Pack our bags. We need to leave Florida right now. Oh my God!
Yes.
What is that? It's the summer energy bill! No! This can't be happening. This can't be happening. Who are you?
I'm Sonny.
What? What do you want?
I'm here to tell you that, you don't have to fear the summer energy bill when you switch to solar energy with Solar Installers of Florida. You know that, right? With 16 years of experience and thousands of installations, we'll make sure to power your home and your wallet. Call us now at 407-777-5050 for your free consultation, or check out our website, solarinstallers.florida.com.